The legacy of Roman law, the foundation of justice. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the legacy of Roman law and how it laid the groundwork for justice as we know it. Have you ever wondered, how did a system of laws established over 2,000 years ago still influence our sense of justice today? Well, you're in for a treat. We'll start by looking at the groundbreaking 12 Tables, Rome's first codified laws, which brought a sense of equality and accountability into the legal world. It was a significant step forward, one that would shape the future of law for generations. The Senate of Rome, 450 BCE. Picture this. The Roman Forum is buzzing with excitement. It's 450 BCE, and Senator Cassius stands among the crowd, his heart racing. Today is monumental, the unveiling of the 12 Tables. These bronze tablets display laws for everyone to see, a revolutionary idea at the time. Among the onlookers is Julia, the daughter of a common merchant. She whispers to her father, "Now they can't ignore us. Now we have rights." This moment symbolizes hope for the common people. However, not everyone is thrilled. Senator Cornelius, a clever aristocrat, observes from the sidelines, exchanging glances with his elite friends. He thinks to himself, written laws could threaten our grip on power. In a world where the rich usually had the upper hand, this new development could change everything. As the years pass and Rome transitions from republic to empire, the legal landscape evolves. Young Cassius is now a magistrate, tasked with enforcing the laws in a growing republic. However, he quickly realizes that even with the 12 Tables, justice often favors the wealthy and powerful, leaving the vulnerable at risk. Meanwhile, Julia, now a determined young woman, is studying under the great legal minds of Rome. She's driven by the need to ensure that legal equality is not just an ideal, but a necessity for all citizens. There is a spark in her as she rises to challenge the status quo. Little does she know, Cornelius is plotting. He whispers in the halls of power, aiming to twist the laws to protect the interests of the elite. He believes firmly that some people are meant to rule while others should obey. This clash of ideals sets the stage for a monumental battle over the future of justice. As Rome expands its borders and influence, complexities arise. Cassius is dispatched to Carthage, overseeing legal disputes in newly annexed territories. He witnesses firsthand the power of Roman law and its inconsistencies. There, he sees people from diverse backgrounds struggling with the legal system that was supposed to unite them. At the same time, Julia is hard at work uncovering evidence that wealthy aristocrats are manipulating property laws to reclaim lands from the poor. It's a direct violation of ius naturale, the idea that justice is a universal principle, not just a tool for the powerful. In her heart, she knows justice must prevail, and she's ready to fight for it. In a dramatic courtroom scene, Julia challenges these injustices, citing the very roots of Roman law that inspired fairness and equality. Meanwhile, Cornelius rises to greater power, using his influence to push a legislative agenda that serves the elite. It's a battle of principles. Justice versus manipulation. As Rome begins to crumble from corruption and power struggles, Cassius and Julia cling to their ideals of justice. Cassius, now an aging jurist, stands before the Senate, delivering a heartfelt speech. The law is not power. The law is balance. And balance must be protected, no matter who rules. His words resonate, but the decline is unstoppable. Julia's perseverance pays off in the centuries to come, as Emperor Justinian compiles the Corpus Juris Civilis in the 6th century, preserving the essence of Roman justice: fair trials, property rights, and judicial independence. Their battle for justice may have faced defeat in their era, but the seeds they planted ensure that the principles of fairness survive long after Rome falls. The echoes of their wisdom still resonate today. In our modern world, we see the impact of Roman law everywhere, from courtrooms to international treaties. As a judge reads a verdict, balancing precedent and fairness, we can trace that practice back to ancient Rome. Julia's vow and Cassius' relentless fight for justice still shape our understanding today. The law must serve all, not just the powerful, Julia once proclaimed, and those words ring true in the hearts of people everywhere who advocate for equality and justice. If you want to explore more about the foundations of justice and how it impacts your life today, subscribe to my channel. Let's continue to unravel this incredible story together.